If you have a Cricut and only use it for birthdays and random labels, this is your sign to start making fun projects with it. I made this tiny gas cap decal with little pink high heels, and somehow it completely changed the look of my car. This is exactly why I love owning a Cricut. You can make the smallest random things, and they end up looking really good. First, I loaded the design into Cricut Design Space and resized it to fit the gas cap. Then I cut it with permanent vinyl on my Cricut. The decal is pretty small, so I slowed down while weeding the tiny details. I ended up making 3 different versions of this decal because I honestly cannot choose. One is a simple all-black vinyl version for a cleaner look. One version has red details on the fuel arrow and letters for more contrast. And my favorite version has pink high heels while the rest stays black, which somehow makes the whole decal look even cuter. Tiny decals like this are exactly why I love Cricut projects so much. They are quick to make, use barely any vinyl, but completely change the look of something. And if you do not have a Cricut or just want one ready to apply, these decals are also available to order in my Etsy shop. Now, let's make my favorite version, the pink high heels. I only changed the color of the heels, but honestly, it made such a huge difference. Now that you've seen all 3 versions, which one would you actually put on your car? The simple black version, the red detail version, or the pink heels version? Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Now, let's go to my car. I cleaned the gas cap area with alcohol so the vinyl would stick properly. This part matters way more than people think. Then I lined the decal and slowly pressed it onto the car. I always start from the center and work outward, so I do not trap air bubbles underneath. And honestly, this tiny decal has so much personality. Thanks for watching, and if your Cricut has been collecting dust, hopefully this gave you a fun little project idea to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out Wiccatdesigns for more Cricut tutorials, funny decals, and easy craft projects.